In the last lecture, we talked about the various economic problems which are there due to scarcity. Okay, so today we will continue with the topic, and first of all, I will read out the basic meaning of economics. Economics is a social science which studies the way a society chooses to use its limited resources, which have alternative uses, to produce goods and services and to distribute them among different groups of people. So if you listen carefully to this definition, you will see that it is just clearly defining what we had talked about in the last lecture, that first, wants are unlimited, second, resources are scarce, third, resources have alternative uses, and fourth, there is a problem of choice. So economics is a field of study which deals with all these four important sectors. Now, today I am also going to talk about a term which is positive economics and normative economics. This is very important to understand. First, I come to positive economics. What do you mean by positive economics? In the simplest way to understand it is to remember the term what is, things as they actually are. If you walk into a classroom, you look at it and you say there are 20 chairs and 20 desks. Here, I am not saying what is the quality of the desk and chairs. I am not saying whether they are good or bad. I am just stating a fact that there are 20 chairs and desks in a classroom. This is what we mean by positive economics. I'll just give another economics example. Suppose we say that 70% people in India are engaged in agriculture. Again, I am not saying whether this is good or bad. I am just stating that we have so many people who are working in agriculture. And this is what positive economics talks about. What actually exists in an economy. On the other hand, when we talk about normative economics, we are talking about what should be. So here we are giving our own opinion about what we expect should be done. For example, if we said that 70% people are in agriculture, now we will say that is too many people depending on agriculture. So what we should do is we should try to provide alternative sources of livelihood to these people. So we are talking about our opinions. We are talking about what we want to do to make the situation better. And that is what normative economics deals with. The basic difference between these two is, first, as I said, the meaning, that positive economics deals with what the problem is, and normative deals with how to solve a particular problem. Secondly, it is positive economics is totally based on facts and it is not at all suggestive, whereas normative economics is individual opinion and judgments about a certain things. Positive economics does not give any kind of judgments, not good or bad. It just states a fact, whereas normative economics is judgmental in nature. Example of positive economics, as I said, was that there are inequalities of income in the country. Normative economics, income inequalities should be reduced through government measures. So I hope this is clear. I will just repeat again. Positive economics deals with what is. Normative economics deals with what should be or what ought to be. Kindly look in the description box. I am posting the notes for whatever topic I am covering with. Make an effort, write it in your notebooks so that you have consistently the whole notes also along with the explanation in the lectures. Thank you.